Hello viewers, my name is Sandip and today I will discuss about the natural language processing, that is NLP, which is a sub branch or a part of the artificial intelligence. So first, first we need to understand that what is NLP. So we can define it as it is basically a branch of computer science, or more specifically, we can say that it is a branch of artificial intelligence which is concerned with giving computers the ability to understand text, words, paragraphs, sentences the same way that human beings can do. So, here, in the NLP, the computers are taught how to read text, how to write text, and how to understand the spoken words that the human beings do, and how the human brain works. That uh, we humans have the ability to write and the ability to read and the ability to uh, you know like uh, like we humans can understand what we are reading or what we are seeing or what we are writing. So basically the NLP helps the computers to get these abilities that we humans have. So now we will discuss some of the components of NLP. So there are two basic components of the NLP, which is the first one is NLU, natural language understanding, and the second one is NLG, which is natural language generation. So the NLU is further divided into three parts. The first one is the lexical ambiguity. The second one is the syntactical ambiguity. The third one is the referential. The third one is the referential ambiguity, and also the energy NLG is also further divided into three components, or three process, we can say. That the first one is the text planning, the second one is the sentence planning, the third one is the text realization. Now we will see that how the NLP works actually. So there are five stages of the whole process of the NLP. The first one is the lexical analysis. The second one is the syntax analysis. The third one is the semantic analysis. The fourth one is the discourse analysis, and the last one is the pragmatic analysis. So we will discuss these five topics in the. So we will discuss all the five uh, procedures next in the next slides. So now the first one is the lexical analysis. So to understand the lexical analysis, we have to understand that what is lexical. The word lexical comes from the word lexicon, which means the vocabulary and the expressions of word and sentences. So how some words are pronounced, or how the some sentences are used to express something. So this means the lexicon of a language. So now the lexical analysis means dividing the text into paragraphs, words, and sentences according to their vocabulary and according to their the expressions. So we understood this. Now the second one is the syntax analysis. The syntax analysis basically means the proper ordering of the words and its meaning, which is the analysis of words and the sentences we use, and the analysis of the grammatical structure of the sentence. So if we have an example that the girl the go to the school, we clearly can see that this sentence has no meaning. So the syntax analysis helps to correct and to rectify these mistakes of the sentences, and to correct the grammatical structure and the proper ordering of the sentences. So the next one is uh, discourse integration. So we all know that integration means to sum up the things. This thing, like in here, discourse integration means the sense of the context that we are reading or writing. So the sense of the context and the meaning of the single sentences depends upon the sentences that precedes it, and it also invokes the meaning of the sentence that follow it. For example, here we have one sentence that is she wanted it. Here we can see that the word in the sentence depends upon the prior discourse context. Okay, so now we have the last one, which is the pragmatic analysis. So the it is defined as pragmatic concerns the overall communication and the social context and its effect on the interpretation. So basically it means that the abstraction of the purpose used in the language, like the aspect of language which is required for the world knowledge. See, here is one example. Before the example, we can see the main focus is on what was said is reinterpreted on what it actually means. Like the example is close the windows. We have one sentence here which is close the windows. Should have been interpreted as a request rather than an order. Okay, so we understood all the five parts. Now, here are some basic applications of NLP. So the first one, we can use the NLP in spam filters. We can use it in the algorithmic trading, and we can use it for answering questions, and we can also use it in summarizing the informations we get or the data we get. So now we'll discuss about some of the future scope of the NLP. So there are few things that we will discuss. The first one is chatbot assist. So we all know that there is a technology in some of the messengers apps, like the WhatsApp business, and or the Instagram, or we have Hike and Telegram also, where there are certain chatbots which helps to answer some of the queries very quickly to all the questions of some particular thing or some particular requirement. When we ask something, the chatbots quickly replies a text that is input in the app by default. So chat box can helps like this. And the next thing the next thing it will help, like like it will be a very supportive thing for the invisible UI. Like almost every connection we have with the machine involves a human communication, so it will help in that case also. And it will help in the like and the next thing it will help, like the NLP's future also includes improved search, something we have been discussing at expert system for a long time. So these are some of the basic things where it will help in the future course. So thank you so much for seeing this video. I hope you have learned something, and hope to. Thanks for watching.